Hey everyone,
Urgently required guest house labor for Saudi Arabia.
welcome to Pasha Bhai Job. Listen to this to get all the details and apply now.
Urgently required guest house labor for a reputed guest house in Saudi Arabia. The job includes cleaning rooms, helping housekeeping staff, carrying supplies, arranging beds, and maintaining cleanliness in the guest house. Candidates should be hardworking, honest, and ready to assist with different tasks. Interested candidates can contact us for more details. Salary 1500 Saudi Riyal. Duty timing 12 hours. Must know proper English or Arabic. Accommodation provided. Transportation provided. Medical insurance provided. Gulf or Indian experience preferred. Need all documents in one PDF along with introduction video for selection. Job location, Saudi Arabia. Job duties. Clean guest rooms, hallways, kitchens, washrooms, and common areas. Help carry luggage, furniture, and supplies. Arrange beds, bed sheets, towels, and room items. Assist housekeeping staff with daily work. Load, unload, and store supplies when needed. Help kitchen or service staff if required. Collect and dispose of garbage properly. Report any damages or maintenance issues. Keep indoor and outdoor areas clean. Follow instructions from supervisors and management. Requirements: hardworking and responsible. Honest and trustworthy. Maintain personal hygiene and neat appearance. Follow safety and cleanliness rules. Be polite and respectful to guests. Work well with team members. Be flexible and ready to help with different tasks. Main role: support the guest house team and help maintain a clean, safe, and comfortable environment for guests. Don't miss this opportunity. Interested candidates can contact for more details. Halima Enterprises. Contact number: HR +917718096118. DM +91 855 89 89 289. Website www.halima.com.
I wish you all the best on your job search. Remember to follow me for more job opportunities at Pasha Bhai Job.